what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, and today I got a temp fade, a taper, a blowout, or wherever you from in the country, however you call it. This is what this is. Anyways, today I'm starting off with the T-outliners to do the balding portion of this haircut. I normally bald out the bottom portion of this haircut, and right now I'm using 2 clippers. Okay, this is right here is my Andis Masters. I open the lever all the way and fade up about 1/4 inch, okay? And this is what I always do when I do my taper. I almost always use 2 clippers, okay? So I normally take the Andis Masters, open it all the way, and then I go from there to my Wahl Seniors, okay? The cordless Wahl Seniors, and I have them opened all the way. So I fade right below where I stopped at the Andis Masters, okay? Then I close the lever on the Wahl Seniors, and I fade right below that to erase that bottom line that I created with my T-outliners. I don't know if that's confusing, but if that is, go ahead and hit rewind like I always say, and pay attention to what I did, okay? So from that point, I always add the 1 guard, okay? And then open the lever all the way with the 1 guard, and I fade right above where I created that guideline with the Andis Masters opened all the way, okay? So I go from Masters to Seniors, opened all the way right below the Master, then closed all the way Senior, then I add the 1 guard to the Senior, and then fade right above where I stopped at the Master, okay? And then close the lever all the way and fade right below that, okay? So that's how I get this fade transition. Right now I got on the 1.5 blade, and I got the lever open all the way. I'm just trying to flick out just to kind of blend into the top portion of the hair. Really don't do much work to the top. All I'm doing is fading this temple area of this client. And shout out to my boy AJ. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody that's showing love to this channel. I'm actually still growing, y'all, so I appreciate everybody hitting like, subscribe, share. People that are following me on Instagram and Facebook, I appreciate all the support, okay? So right now what I'm doing is just combing out to see what I got going on. Looks pretty good to me, so what I'm gonna do is move to the back portion of the head. And I pretty much have a weird angle on the back portion of the hair, but it's the same process, same steps, okay? Right now, just doing a little cleanup work, just making sure everything's kind of in place. But like I said, the back portion of the hair, I'm actually doing the same thing. And also, just like the rest of my videos, this is a half haircut, okay? I'm actually not gonna do the other side on camera, but this is a half haircut. And at the end of this video, I actually do some Kiss Express. So you guys are gonna be able to see how I bring everything together. Okay, so same thing here. Andis T-outliner, draw my initial guideline, the bald line. And, I'll kind of go at an angle just to kind of get a little, some kind of effect with the fading. You can hardly ever, sometimes when I do it, you can hardly ever see the effect, but I know it's there, and it looks pretty good to me when I do start off balding out at an angle. And go from there to my Andis Masters. Like I said, opened all the way, 1/4 inch. Depends on how much room you got to work with. Sometimes I go a 1 inch, sometimes I go a 1/4 inch. With his head, I don't really have much room to work with, so I go for about a 1/4 inch, okay? And then right below that, if you've been paying attention, of course, you would grab the Wahl Seniors, open them all the way, and fade right below where you left off at with the Andis Masters, okay? And I'm not the type of barber that use multiple clippers to do haircuts, but this is what I do in order to get a really good transition with my temp fades or tapers. And that's a very popular haircut in my area, temp fade or taper or blowout, however you call it in your area. Okay, so that is with the lever closed all the way, just to erase that bottom line. And the next thing I'll do is add that 1 guard opened all the way, fade right above where you left off with the Andis Masters. And you don't necessarily need to use 2 clippers for this haircut. You could just go by using just the Wahl Seniors or just the Andis Masters. But this is what I feel comfortable doing it with. I also have other videos where I'm doing the same haircut with just the Masters or with the Wahl Seniors. So if you want references on how to do that, just kind of go through my videos and you'll find what I did. Okay, so this is a 1.5 blade. Same thing what I did on the other side. And like I said, this is weird angling because this is a kid, and sometimes it's hard to position kids the way you want to. So you just kind of let them do their thing and just go from there. Because I know this wasn't gonna be a long haircut, I kind of just worked with what I had, and it turned out pretty good. Okay, like I said, at the end of this video, I'll do some Kiss Express work, not on camera. So if you pay attention to the final product of this haircut, you'll realize that it actually looks a little different. I do add a little Kiss Express to the end of this video, and it kind of brings everything together and do a little scissor work, just to kind of get all the loose hairs, just stick it up. And I don't know, you tell me what you think. Okay, if you like this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and share. This is a haircut tutorial video on temp fades, taper fades, and blowouts. So if you like it, like I said, hit like, subscribe, share. Shout out to Barber Illuminati, and I'll see you guys soon.